evening, students. Welcome back to the class. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 6, Economic Growth and Economic Development. What is economic growth? An increase in the production of goods and services in an economy is called economic growth. Increase in the output of goods and services indicates an increase in the national income of a country. Therefore, an economic growth means it is an increase in the total output of a country compared to that of the previous year. For example, let's see this table. It shows the paddy cultivation of the year 2016 to 2018. In the year 2016 to 17, the production rate is about 10,000 kg, and in 2017 to 18, it is 11,000 kg of production. So the table shows an increase of 10% in the production of paddy during 2017 to 18 compared to the previous year. This indicates economic growth. With economic growth, the country's capacity to fulfill the needs of the people also increases. Here, the diagram shows the progress in the production sector creates more employment opportunities in a country. The income earned by the workers through employment increases their purchasing power. This improves the standard of living of the workers. Okay, students, let's see what is economic growth rate. Economic growth rate means the rate of increase in the national income during the current year as compared to the previous year. Economic growth is calculated on the basis of increase in national income. Okay, next, let's see the economic development. For an improvement in standard of living, several other living conditions should be made available along with an increase in national income. They are availability of nutritious food for all. Second, better healthcare facilities for all. Third one, educational facilities for all. And fourth one, availability of clear water for all. When the improved living conditions are available to all, the standard of living of people also improves. Economic development takes place when the standard of living improves with economic growth. A country is said to have attained economic development when there is economic growth and the benefit of which is accessible to all. Therefore, economic development is equal to economic growth plus better standard of living. Okay, next, let's see the difference between economic growth and economic development. Economic growth indicates increase in income and production, whereas economic development indicates improvement in quality of life. Second one, economic growth measured in terms of increase in national income, whereas economic development measured in terms of various indices such as physical quality of life index, human development index, etc. Third one, economic growth is a quantitative measure, whereas economic development is a qualitative measure. Fourth one, economic growth emphasis is purely on economic factors, whereas economic development emphasizes on socio-economic factors. Fifth one, economic growth happens in a short term, whereas economic development happens over a long period of time. Okay, students, hope that you have understood about the economic growth and economic development. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Be happy and safe at your home. See you next class. Thank you.